In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume website with WordPress. Having a professional online presence can really make a difference in how you're perceived by potential employers or clients. As more businesses look for professionals who can pivot into the digital space, creating a resume website can provide an extra edge. Let's walk through this process step by step. Before we dive into the actual setup, let's make sure you have a domain name and a hosting service. Your domain name should ideally be your name or a variation of it, as this makes your website more personal and professional. Next, choose a reliable hosting provider. Many offer excellent introductory rates and one-click WordPress installations, which can make your life a lot easier. Now, head into your hosting account dashboard and locate the WordPress installation option. This is usually listed under Website or One-Click Installs. Simply follow the prompts to choose your domain and complete the installation. Now comes the fun part, designing your website. Once WordPress is installed, log into your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll want to decide on a theme that's clean, modern, and specifically suited for a resume or portfolio. Navigate to the Appearance menu, select Themes, and then click on Add New. Utilize the search bar to narrow down your options. Popular choices often include themes like Astra or Ocean WP, which are customizable and visually appealing. Once you've found a theme you like, click the Install button followed by Activate. You now have the skeleton of your website ready. Now head to the Plugins section under your WordPress dashboard, which plays a crucial role in enhancing your site's functionality. Essential plugins might include Elementor for building pages visually, Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, and Contact Form 7 for adding simple forms for people to get in touch with you. With your theme and plugins set up, it's time to create the core pages for your resume. Start with the About Me page. Use this area to tell your professional story, your background, education, achievements, and career goals. Next, create a professional experience page where you can detail your work history with concise descriptions that highlight your skills and contributions. Then include an education and certifications page, as well as a skills page. Each section should be clear and easy to navigate. Lastly, it's crucial to make sure your website is accessible from any device. This is where you should use your theme's responsive settings to adjust how each element appears on mobile devices and tablets. Take your time to go through each page to ensure content displays beautifully. And there you have it. In a few straightforward steps, you've built a resume website with WordPress that shows off your credentials in a dynamic way. As always, feel free to personalize and tweak your site to better reflect your professional identity. Remember to regularly update it with your latest accomplishments. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy job hunting and best of luck in your career.